import data from Excel. For example, let's say we have these Excel files, and this Excel file is placed also in the current folder. So in order for us to import this data from Excel, the command that we need to type in is we need to assign the data to a variable. Let's say I call this data. So data is equal to the command to import data from Excel is xls read, and then we type in the file name within the apostrophe symbol. So here the name of our file is Excel data. Okay. For your information, you can just type in, since we have Excel data in the current folder, I just type in E and then I press tab. MATLAB automatically generate the name from the current folder. So now I'm gonna just close my my round bracket, and then when I press enter, I will get data that is equal to what we have in the Excel file. So this is what we have in Excel file, and after it has been imported into MATLAB, it becomes this. Another method, if let's say the Excel file data is in another folder, it's not in your current folder, you can also use the import data function here by clicking on this icon, import data, and you can then browse through the data. For example, I'm just going to go to my Excel data here as well. So I'm just going to double click on this, and MATLAB will open this import wizard. So what we have here, all the data from Excel files, and I'm going to change my output type into numeric matrix. Okay, and then I'm going to just click on import selection. Then when I close this, I notice that there is a new variable in my workspace that goes by the name Excel data. And then let's say I call this Excel data, and when I press enter, I will get the same data that I have created in Excel just now. So when you double click on this, MATLAB will open the data that we have imported. So that is how you import data from Excel. Then when we have imported the data from Excel, we can do so many things with MATLAB, do the analysis of plot graph and so on. Now let's see how we can export the data from MATLAB into Excel file. For example, here we have this data file like this, and we want to export this data into Excel. So the command that we need to use is xls write. Within a bracket, we type in the file name and also the variable that we want to export. For example, I'm going to type in here exported, for example, close the apostrophe, comma. Now we want to export the variable data here, so we type in data and we close the round bracket. When I press enter, I will get a new exported file here in CSV because I am using a Mac. If you are using Windows computer, so you will not get this warning, and MATLAB will write the exported the file in the Excel format. But in my case, because I am using Mac, MATLAB will write the file in CSV format. So either way, the file has been exported. So when I click on this file, the CSV file, I can see the numbers that have been exported from MATLAB, and this can be then opened with Excel, Microsoft Excel.